Can't sing in tune. Okay, this video is going to help you. You're always singing off key. I have a lot of videos on this channel, so you can go and watch some of the videos that I have done on this channel. But you see today's one is some exercises that's going to help you if that is something you are currently working on, so that you can always be on tune. You do these exercises and they will help you in your journey of stopping to sing off key, off pitch. So one of the exercises, just repeat after me as I sing. So you go back again, try this exercise, go back again, keep doing it, keep doing it. I'm telling you, let me see, you begin to hear it and understand what we're talking about. I want you to comment how this has helped you. And if you want to learn how to find your voice, watch this next video.